Looks like we got another one.
It's the husband and wife this time.
Yeah, I hate these calls.
It's happening more and more with folks just trying to save money on expensive car repairs.
Man, they killed it. What on earth were they thinking?
Let me guess, watching an online video?
Internet's a blessing and a curse. What's it gonna take for people to know to call CarShield before a car breaks down? They help pay for expensive repair bills on up to 5,000 parts and systems.
We're just two people, Ice. There's only so much we can do to let people know about the unlimited miles and extra benefits that CarShield offers. 24/7 nationwide roadside assistance, courtesy towing, and rental car options.
See, CarShield helps people save money.
All they gotta do is call before their out-of-warranty car breaks down. It's really that simple.
Get covered repairs paid. Call CarShield now for your free quote and to lock in your rate with their price lock guarantee. Call 800-579-6554.